guys, I'm back. Today I'm doing a makeup look inspired by the song Purple from Olivia Rodrigo. I listened to her album a couple days ago and it was so good. Purple is my favorite song from the album. As you can tell, my favorite color is purple. Like, my room is purple, so let's get into it. I'm just gonna add some powder to my face. I'm just gonna go in with concealer because I don't feel like wearing foundation today. And now I'm just gonna add some blush. And now I'm just gonna add some powder all over my face. And now we're gonna get into that eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this shade because it matches like the song, I think. Okay, here's the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna add some eyeliner to it. I'm just gonna add some highlight. Mascara. I'm just gonna blend all of this. Lip liner. Lip gloss. I'm just gonna add more concealer. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. Setting spray. Okay guys, this is the makeup look. Let me show you the eyeshadow. I love it, honestly. Purple is my favorite color, so I was happy I got to do this look. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.